Today I am going to install some GX LED halo headlights. Before starting, gather your materials and make sure you're not missing anything. Take a flathead and pry up the grill mounts carefully and pull them out. Using a T15 Torx, remove the bracket that holds the headlights in place. Pull the locking clip up to remove and release the headlight. Take note of the left and right indicators on the new lights. Clip the pigtail into the new light. Open up the wiring bundle to your turning lights. This is where we are going to wire in the halo power. Use the supplied halo cable. Trim off the extra if you want to. Then we are going to wire the halo to the constant on of the signal lights. Center wire of my 2014 Sport. Check with your model to be sure which one before you cut the cable though. The other end of the cable will slide connect into the new halo port on the light. Connect the main headlight pigtail to the existing stock cable. Listen for the click on connection, then slide it down to lock it in place. Put the headlight bracket back into position on the headlight. Then replace the T15 Torx screws. You will repeat basically all of the same steps on the other headlight. Then tidy up any loose cabling you have and put the grill back in place. And there you have it. Happy jeeping!